this excellent Creative Cloud photography plan from Adobe, which works out to just US $9.99 a month. So, it's in essence what you're getting is one of the best photography plans out there at a very reasonable price. Now we look at exactly what you're getting with this plan in this video. So what you get is the world's best photography tools at, of course, an incredible price. And what you exactly are you getting? You're getting Photoshop CC and Lightroom, which are tightly integrated for a complete photography workflow across your desktop and mobile devices. For instance, you could create composites in Photoshop on your iPad and then refine them on your desktop. Likewise, you could organize and enhance images in Lightroom on your iPhone. And all of this you could easily automatically sync together so that the changes are reflected back to your Lightroom catalog. So what you're getting in a sense is Photoshop CC, which is the app for transforming images into just about anything that you could imagine. And you're also getting Lightroom, which is just as good on your desktop, mobile, or the web. And it's in essence, it's your go-to app for organizing, enhancing, and sharing your images every single day. So this is what you're getting with Creative Cloud Photography from Adobe, which works out to just an annual plan basis, $9.99 a month. So therefore, if you click on buy now and if you get on to purchasing it, so after you've clicked on buy now, there's this simple form to fill up where you have your Adobe ID being created, whereby this particular Creative Cloud photography plan, for that you enter your first name, last name, email address, choose a password, your country, United States, and that's it, you're good to go. If you're located outside the US, you simply choose your country. And so that's pretty much all that you need as far as getting this particular Creative Cloud photography plan is concerned. And then for just 9.99 or $10 a month, or $120 a year, you're getting this excellent package. So that's something which we wanted to share in today's video, that and being from Adobe, you can of course be assured of the quality of the package, the plan itself.